Welcome back to my channel. It's actually my daughter. She's got proms coming up in a couple of months, so we're doing a practice makeup for her prom. But when it's her prom time, I will be doing her makeup as well, and I'll be filming it to show you guys. So keep watching if you want to see how her makeup turns out. You want to introduce yourself?
Okay, so hi, I'm Tyann Walker and I'm on Alice Walker's channel. Yeah, I'm 15 and I go to school basically. I'm going to take my GCSEs this year, so please wish me luck, and yeah, for this summer 2020.
I'm going to let Tyann go over all the product we're going to be using today. She wanted to do a lot of the talking today, isn't she?
Yes, I'm not just sitting here like this right now. So, yeah.
So alright Tyann, so we're going to be doing your eye first, so show them what we're going to be using for your eye.
We're going to use the Rimmel Felt Tip pencil. We're going to be using the Lula eyebrow pencil and a MUA eyebrow pencil.
First of all, we're going to be doing her eyebrow. Since her eyebrow is not plucked, because she doesn't really want to pluck her eyebrow now, she's got a really nice thick eyebrow, and I've advised her not to pluck it now.
We're going to be using foundation to cover the top of my eyebrow because it's more closer to my colour, apparently. It's from Too Faced and we're going to be using the colour Chai. We're going to be using these three palettes, ouch. Changeable, is it called Changeable or Fantasy?
Yes, Fantasy Changeable. Yeah,
it's called Fantasy Changeable and Beauty Glaze Pressed Glitter.
Yeah.
And we'll also be mixing it up with
Juvia's Place.
Yeah, Juvia's Place Festivals. Yeah. Now we're going to be using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this for the cut crease to cut my eye.
To cut your eye?
Yeah.
Seriously? Using it to cut your eye. You're very funny.
I decided that I like the colours in this eyeshadow palette, so we're going to change our minds and use this palette instead by Beauty Glazed. From the Beauty Glazed palette, we're going to be using the gold colour. It's saying here that it's pressed glitter, so it's basically just glitter in a palette. For the inner corner of my eyes, like here. I'm going to be using this NARS foundation in the shade Manus. Yeah. But before the foundation, we're going to be using Infallible Mattifying Base L'Oreal Primer. I think, like, in my opinion, I think this is the best primer out of all of the ones that I've used so far. So we're going to be using this today. It's mattifying and it's giving you a glow on your face. Concealer again to go over under my eyes. Now we're going to be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder for my face to set the under eyes. I'm going to be using the Benefit compressed powder to set my whole face and to make it blend in. Now we're going to be using the Colossal Big Shot Darling Black Mascara by Maybelline. And personally, I think this is a good mascara because it makes your eyelashes like 3 times or longer. So I really recommend it. Girls with Attitude lashes. It's called Double Take English Rose Collection. Because the battery died, we had to do the makeup off camera, so we're back now and we're going to be showing you the lipstick that we're going to be putting on my lips.
And we're gonna go over that because she wants a gloss lip, so we're gonna go over with the e.l.f. lip plumbing gloss. That's how it looks like, and it's the color Mocha Twist.
This is the final look. We've done my face, we finished our face, we finished the eyeshadow, we finished my lipstick, and I think it's looking like really nice. I'm really excited for prom when my mum actually does my makeup and I go outside with this look. It might be the same look or it might be different depending on how I feel on the day. Thank you.
You're welcome. It looks really nice. I like that eye.
Yeah, it does.
Right, close the eye and let them see. The top is all glitter all the way there.
Yeah.
And it looks really, really pretty. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's really nice. Thank you.
Really, really nice. You're welcome.
Yeah. If you like this look, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video or AliceWalker.London's next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.